Scientists found some blood patterns still don't fully fit the normal genetic trend, especially certain markers linked to Rh negative blood, because throughout history, human populations mixed constantly. Migration spread genetics, empires expanded, trade routes connected continents, and usually, rare traits become diluted over time, blending into larger populations generation after generation. But some blood markers never fully disappeared. They survived isolation. They survived migration. They survived thousands of years of human history. And scientists still study why. Because blood contains biological codes, tiny inherited markers passed silently from parent to child, generation after generation. And some of those patterns remain unusually concentrated inside certain populations, especially isolated groups, which raised questions. Why did those markers survive? Why didn't they blend evenly with surrounding populations? And why do some bloodlines still preserve ancient patterns after thousands of years? Because genetics quietly record history. Migration leaves traces. Isolation leaves traces. Survival leaves traces. And blood markers carry echoes of all of it, passed silently through bloodlines, through families, through time itself. But online, the mystery became something bigger, because people became fascinated not by what was present, but by what was missing. A missing marker, a missing signal, an absence. And psychologically, absence creates mystery. Something removed, something separate, something that doesn't fully fit the expected pattern, which led to theories, ancient ancestry, forgotten bloodlines, hidden origins, ideas far beyond mainstream science. Because humans have always searched for identity, for meaning, for signs. They might belong to something rare, something older, something inherited, a hidden code moving silently through generations. But scientists do not consider Rh negative blood non-human. What they study is population genetics, how isolated groups preserve traits, how evolution spreads patterns unevenly through history, how some markers survive while others disappear completely. And maybe the strangest part is that blood remembers things humans forget. Borders disappeared, civilizations collapsed, entire populations migrated, yet genetics kept moving forward, quietly surviving inside future generations, which means some blood markers alive today may have traveled through wars, famine, disease, migration, and thousands of years of human history, still existing, still circulating, still carrying traces of ancient populations. And maybe that's why this mystery never disappears online. Because deep down, people want to believe something hidden, something ancient, something rare, survived history itself. A hidden lineage, a forgotten pattern, a blood code, history never erased. So now the question is, if blood can preserve hidden patterns for thousands of years, what other ancient codes are still surviving quietly inside humanity today?
Question the world deeper.
Follow the Anything Answer. And if you want everything unlocked, subscribe. We explore ideas, patterns, and stories. Not instructions, not advice.
Everything you see here is for entertainment only.